Hello, BAME Farm fans. I'm so glad this is the last day of January because it's been a whole month of Mondays. Yep, we get to deal with that. Just walked out to the barn, walking by, and we have that. I know exactly what the problem is. Maybe somewhere here in the darkness. Now you can kind of see that now that it's deflated. That one's pretty bad. But a lot of the bars are coming apart. These old Goodyears don't wear worth a darn, especially the small. Now the front ones do fine, I guess, because it's a bigger tire. But these little ones on the back, they're cracking out right there everywhere. So this one's gonna get a new round and black. I didn't say new tire, but it's gonna hold air. And we can't just dump this thing full of sealant. That's not gonna work. The rubber's just plain old coming apart. It probably poked through the tube. So let's see how I figure out how to make this work and roll properly. Well, I'd say that's the culprit. I can almost see the tube trying to pop through right there. Hopefully you can kind of see how much I'm flexing out with my finger. But that saved me a lot of jacking. Great, now we just got to do a little bit to get it up, off the ground there. No biggie. Jack's holding the weight. Because before I couldn't get the bottle jack underneath. Thank you, the air compressor. I have no good reason to save this tire. It's obviously coming apart. Not gonna patch that. And I have no other use. Awfully small for a sandbox. So I'm gonna save myself a lot of trouble, use some electricity and power tools, and take this off that way. We're making great progress now. There we go. Now we can get to that bottom of the bead and finish cutting it off. Don't spend a bunch of time loosening this up. It's got a pretty deep bead there. That's too much fun when you have an inch plus a bead to pop off. Oh.
Oh, the burnt rubber? And
no, the blue.
blue.
Yeah, the blue on the inside of the tube. I don't know if I put tire goo in this one already or not.
You might have.
You can see how
Yeah.
it's wet right there. I mean, see
Yeah,
how it's coming apart. It's easier to see on this half. Right there. Yeah. Wasn't a reusable tire.
Yeah.
Now this rim's pretty clean. We just took a quick wire wheel, got a little bit of the heavy rust off. Heavy here at the edges, but there's a lot of paint, looks good. It's not like it's fluid filled or anything. So put the tube in, we got a brand new tube. Took shop vac, tried to clean this out, get all the schmutz out. A lot of rust schmutz falling in. I'll probably do another round of suction after we get it on, but now it's time to wrestle this thing on. Yeehaw. Now we're extremely low on battery, but it's time to see if we hold. Let the air, let the air out of the jack. Well, it's honestly not enough jack, but we're touching the ground. It's got like 25 pounds in it. Well, we're holding there, we're fully on the ground. It's round and it's black and there's some bar treads, sort of. We just saved $600. That's, say it pays to be a hoarder. I paid like $5 for those couple tires at the end of a sale once, and they sat there for a few years, and voila, I got to use one. Probably